How to block gambling or betting sites on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Screen Time. Make sure you have enabled screen time. Now head over to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now from the list of the options, select the option App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now click on the option Web Content. Here you're gonna find three options. Set it to limit adult website. You're gonna get two sections under that: always allow and never allow. Under never allow, you'll need to add the websites that you wanna block. Over there mention all the betting and gambling websites. Now when you try to access these websites, you will get the error. So this way you can easily block gambling or a betting website on your phone. Likewise, another thing you wanna do is head over to any of the website. Now in the search box type in nextdns.io and search for it. You'll be directed to this website. Now click on try it now, provide your credentials and sign up for it. After you do that, you'll be directed to this page. Now head over to this tab, deny list. Now here you can add gambling and betting website that you want to block. So these are the ways to block gambling or betting sites on your phone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.